Hello guys, here we want to download the Windows 10 ISO image. We can do that from Google, or we can find the link below with the lecture resources of my course. Okay, in the Microsoft website, here download tools, media creation tools. These tools allow me to download the ISO image. Okay, the download is finished. We can now open these tools and run. Okay, this is a license term. We can accept the license terms. Okay, now we want to create installation media and press next. Here we can choose language and architecture of our Windows, 64-bit or 32-bit, or we can choose both at the same time, but the size of the copy of Windows here is big when we choose both. Okay, I choose ISO file and I click next. Here we choose the location of ISO file. Okay, I choose desktop location and I click save. Okay, now this tools download this copy. It's take a little of time. It's depend how internet speed you have. Thank you.